Hello friends, this is Samsung SM-B310e Keypad mobile phone. I bought this mobile phone from a local shop and in this video we are going to do an unbox and full review of this video. In this package you can see their security seal about this package, and if it is broken please contact your customer service assistant or your shop owner. Now I am going to unbox this mobile phone. In this site you can see their options and dual logo, as well as in back side we cannot see very important things. Anyway, let's unbox this mobile phone. Now we are going to do the step-by-step unboxing and review. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more unboxing and review videos.
A few minutes later.
This mobile phone has an internet feature, hence you can use this device as your primary device.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
After unbox this, first we can see the device with the polythene cover, and this device is completely protected by this paper box. Now we can keep away with this our device, and you can see there are some safety regulations in this package. This is our device, and this device is built from a good material plastic, same as the other devices. Now we can see the charger, hand-free set, documentation and this device battery in this box. Now we can see the original hand-free set in this box, and this is the original Samsung hand-free. These hand-frees are very rare in these days. Now you can see the documentation and quick start guide. Don't worry about these languages because this quick start guide and warranty card language can be changed according to your region. Now I am going to check this device by connecting battery. This is our battery, and now I am going to put it into our mobile phone. After put it in, we can check this device and review about the internal functions in this device. Time to power on our device. Now I am switched on this mobile phone. Now you can see the Samsung power on display with B310E logo. Now we can see the welcoming screen, and in this time I am not going to set up the time and date. Now we can directly check the menu. Now we can see the general time and date and menu features. In settings, we can see the advanced settings options, and there we can see the reset options, security options, and lot of advanced settings option. This phone has a fast light feature, audio record feature, and world clock and stopwatch feature, same as the other phone. Anyway, this phone can use a SD card as an additional storage device. This device has a micro USB charging port, and you can use this port to charge your mobile phone, and this handphone has a 3.5mm headphone jack, same as all mobile phones, and a good quality speaker.